Welcome to another very quick tutorial, and in this one I want to show you guys how to filter through the contacts in your CRM. And that could be for the purposes of only sending emails, texts, or videos to specific groups of people only. And the best way to achieve that is through using filters, okay? Through filters, you can only display the people you would like to interact with, and then select all of those people and proceed to perform the action that you want to perform. So in order to get to the filters, we first want to get to the Smart CRM tab. Okay, I'm going to move my face right here. So if you notice on the left-hand side, we're going to see the menu bar. So right here, if you don't see this section, it's probably because it's collapsed. You want to click on the three bars right here to go ahead and expand the menu so that we can get to the Smart CRM tab. So once you click on that, it's going to open up your Smart CRM, which will have every single contact that you've uploaded into the system. And what we're looking for is the filters button. And you can find it right next to the search bar under the Smart CRM section. So if we were to click on filters right here, it's going to open up this box through which we can filter through all of our contacts. Okay. So it's very easy to use. You can go ahead and just start building your criterias and you can check everything that you're looking for. For example, if I only wanted to send a message to people in my sphere, all I would have to do is just check sphere and go ahead and click on apply filters. And you'll notice on the right-hand side here, the database will refresh. And once it's done, it's only going to show me people in my sphere of influence. And from there, I can go ahead and check individual people within my sphere, or just go ahead and click on select all next to first name, and then proceed to perform the action that I desire. So I can send a mass email, a mass text, video message, or even more actions. Okay, again, here's another example. So instead of my sphere of influence, maybe I want to target my prospects. And you'll notice there's different drop downs for you to even hone in on specifics. Okay, so if I was to click on contact details, I can search within my prospects, people who might be sellers, people who have a specific hashtag, people who have a phone number or maybe not, people who have an email or maybe not, people who have a birthday on file. And once I tweak all of those different filters and I have specifically the person or the profile I'm looking for, I can come down again and click apply filters. And once I do that, the database will refresh once more and show me all the contacts that match that criteria. And upon doing so, I can yet again select everyone, or I can just select the individual I would like to target and then perform a mass email action, a mass text, mass video, or etc. Okay, and the very, very last thing, instead of filtering every single time, you are able to save filters and then click on them later on to quickly access that profile of the person you're looking for. So it works in the same exact way. Go ahead and build your filter. Again, we can use the same example here. If I want to only see people who are prospects in my system, who are also sellers, people, let's say, who have an email, I'm going to switch this on, and are subscribed to receiving emails, instead of directly clicking apply filter here, what I can do is I can do save filter. So when I click save filter, I'm going to give this filter a name. So I'm going to call it prospects with email. Okay. And if I switch this on right here, it will pin this filter as a quick link at the top of my CRM. I'm going to switch this on. I'll save this filter and show you what that means. So if I scroll all the way up, you will notice at the very top here, all of these up top are my saved filters. And if I go all the way to the right, you'll see this brand new filter we just created, prospects with email. So instead of having to build this filter next time I need it, I could just open up the Smart CRM tab, and then I'll be able to see this button for me to click on that will take me directly to all of those contacts. Okay. That is how you use filters on KvCORE. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.